This is the North West Training and Development Team and Pathways Coronavirus Update. Today's update looks at the government's announcement about local restrictions affecting the North West. Government says that due to an increase in the number of cases in areas of the north of England, local restrictions need to be put in place in partnership with local authorities. The changes in restrictions will apply to parts of West Yorkshire, parts of East Lancashire, Blackburn with Darwen, Burnley, Hyndburn, Pendle and Rossendale, and the whole of Greater Manchester, including the City of Manchester, Trafford, Stockport, Oldham, Bury, Wigan, Bolton, Tameside, Rochdale and Salford. If you live in one of the affected areas, you should not visit people in their homes or gardens. You should not allow other people to visit your home or garden. You cannot visit people outside of the affected areas. If you have a support bubble, you can still continue to meet with the people in your support bubble. You can also still have people who come to work in your home, as long as they take steps to keep you and themselves safe. If you live in one of the affected areas, you should not meet up with people indoors in public venues like pubs, restaurants, cafes, shops or places of worship. You can still go to these places, but you should only visit them with people that you live with or who are in your support bubble. You can still meet up with people in public outdoor spaces like parks in groups of up to 6 people. You cannot visit friends or family in care homes other than in very exceptional circumstances. In the northwest, in Blackburn with Darwen, some places have had to stay closed. These include indoor gyms, indoor sports centres and facilities, and indoor swimming pools. Shielding for people who are most at risk of becoming very seriously ill if they catch the virus stopped in most places in England on the 1st of August. People living in places with extra restrictions are still being advised to shield. Areas still have local support for people who were shielding in place, such as priority shopping slots and support with delivery of prescriptions. There is different advice in place in different areas in the country, including in the northwest. But the government has said that there are extra restrictions needed in Greater Manchester and parts of East Lancashire to help stop the spread of the virus. If we live in one of the areas affected by the restrictions, we must keep our social distance from people we don't live with outside of our support bubble. People in these areas who are most at risk of becoming very poorly if they catch the virus and were shielding are being asked to keep on shielding.